Welcome to the News Ramp Real Estate Podcast for Sunday morning, May 3rd, 2026. Real stories, AI voices. Full articles at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's get into it.
Beeline Holdings BLNES scales digital lending capabilities with new self-service feature. Beeline Holdings has introduced a new self-service mortgage experience feature, allowing borrowers to explore loan options, model scenarios, and lock interest rates online. The platform's stack streamlines the mortgage process, providing customized loan rate options within seconds. Borrowers can progress independently with a digital assistant named Bob, available for guidance, or connect with Beeline loan specialists for assistance.
Travelio co-CEO Hans Baumgartner leads exclusive Miami event showcasing Miami Tropic John George residences with Pierre Gasly. Travelio co-CEO Hans Baumgartner recently led an exclusive event in Miami showcasing the highly anticipated Miami Tropic John George residences with special guest Pierre Gasly during the Miami Grand Prix week. The event brought together global investors and ultra-high net worth individuals to highlight this ultra-luxury branded residential development, reflecting Miami's growing prominence in the luxury real estate market.
Houston home buyers buck national price and sales housing trends. Houston home buyers report stability in the Houston housing market, contrasting with national trends. Single-family home sales in Houston rose 3.7%, while national sales fell 3.6%. Affordability measures have improved for potential buyers, with prices in Katy down $12,000 from last year. Experts anticipate a more stable residential housing market for Houston buyers and sellers. AE News Breaks. Beeline Holdings, Inc. scales digital lending capabilities with new self-service feature. Beeline Holdings, a digital mortgage platform, has launched a self-service mortgage experience feature to simplify home financing. Borrowers can now explore loan options, model scenarios, and lock interest rates online. The platform allows for independent completion of several mortgage steps with a digital assistant named Bob available for questions. Beeline aims to revolutionize mortgage origination with speed and transparency.
Investor News Breaks. Earth Science Tech Inc., ETST, leveraging vertical integration to target precision medicine market. The company's compounding pharmacy operations produce customized medications tailored for specific patient needs, addressing the growing gap in traditional pharmaceutical manufacturing. With licensed compounding facilities, telemedicine infrastructure, and clinical service operations, ETST is creating a connected ecosystem to engage across different points of the healthcare value chain.
Network News Breaks Fairchild Gold TSXV, FAR, OTCQB, FCHD, F Frankfurt, Y4Y receives clearance to seek shareholder approval for Golden Arrow property acquisition. Fairchild Gold Corp TSX-V, FAR, OTCQB, FCHD, F Frankfurt, Y4Y has received clearance to seek shareholder approval for its acquisition of the Golden Arrow property. A special meeting is set for June 9, 2026, with details outlined in a management information circular. The transaction is subject to regulatory approvals and expected to close in June 2026.
Genesis and Arami Capital launched strategic partnership marked by new Traveleo platform reflecting combined track record and institutional relationships. Genesis Holdings, Inc. and Arami Capital have launched a strategic partnership, unveiling the new Traveleo platform. This collaboration showcases their combined track record and institutional relationships. The platform integrates Arami's investment platform with Traveleo's digital infrastructure, offering access to high-value luxury real estate opportunities. The partnership aims to establish branded luxury real estate as a defined investment segment, providing structured access to curated opportunities and enhancing transparency across the investment lifecycle. Key Crew Media names HOA starts Clayton Thompson as verified expert in self-managed HOA software. Key Crew Media has named Clayton Thompson, CEO of Membershine and HOA Start, as a verified expert in self-managed HOA software. Thompson will provide insights on HOA operations and digital tools in community governance. HOA Start offers an all-in-one management platform for self-managed HOA boards, ensuring continuity through leadership changes. Learn more at hoastart.com. Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on 20 Viviendas Integrales 1Q26. Stonegate Capital Partners updates coverage on 20 Viviendas Integrales. In 1Q 26, management focused on scaling the Vinte/Javr/Derex platform with tighter capital allocation and margin expansion. Emphasizing profitable growth and financial discipline, Vinte prioritizes ROIC and value creation. The company's sustainable financing access and growing scale set it apart in the housing market.
That's it. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Real Estate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.